Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us with the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. Appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you. So today's video, get excited because we're going to be unbox our base box for the month of October. So there's a lot of nice product here, and if you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription that you pay like $27.99 a month, and you get a box like this with 5 full-size beauty products, you know, from like skincare, makeup to beauty tools, you name it, brushes. So I'm gonna have the link for Boxycharm in the description of this video if you guys decide to check them out. All right, so let's dig into this box so this video don't get so long. So the first thing that you get in the box is this little card here. Everyone will be under your spell. Ooh, like that, easy. So the first product here is gonna be the Seattle London Spice Palette. I do have some I have some blushes from them that I have to do a video on. I'm just so busy lately, but I'm sorry, Seattle London, I will gonna get to you. So this is a palette of here, and I'm going to open first to show you. And we did use this palette for do this quick makeup look. So this is the palette, very beautiful. So actually I used the palette on yesterday's look because I filmed like using the product yesterday, and today I filmed this look but was for the palette. So putting this out there, so it's not the same makeup look, but the palette is gorgeous. The shades are beautiful, stunning, some metallic, some brown tones there, some beautiful, you know, like a fall colors, a blend of high pigmented metallic and matte that works seamless with a natural matte to add an epic spice to any makeup look. And this beauty here retails for $39 from Seattle London, and this is a new launch for Seattle London. Beautiful. The next product here is going to be, ooh, we got 2 palettes on this box. This was a good box, huh? This box, the next product here is gonna be Tres Luz Beauty Lucete Highlight Palette, and this palette is so beautiful. Oh my god. Here is the palette, very beautiful. Let me show you guys what it look like inside. And like I said, we used this yesterday. So but they're very beautiful, very pretty, very pretty highlight. You can, you know, have like a different skin tone here. Radiant your light out to the world, and Lucete beautifully with this highlighter palette that will help you to achieve a lit from within glow. Vitamin E and Mexican blue agave deliver a unique softness as you layer each shimmery shade to creamy, moist, illuminated look. This beauty here retails for $26, and it is from Tres Luz Beauty. Alright, the next product here is going to be Ice Baby. Alright, this is the product right here. This is a eye cream, Fleur and Be Ice Baby Anti-Aging Cream, anti-aging, firming, nourishing. Alright, this is here. This rich eye cream will awaken your eyes area by helping to firm and your skin and reduce the appearance of dark circles, wrinkles, and puffiness. And this beauty here retails for $26, which is a great price for me. Alright, our next product here is going to be Papaya Monoi Milk Leave-In Condition, an ultra light yet deep conditioner treatment formulated for chemically treat dry, frizzy, environment damaged hair. Tahitian Monoi oil penetrates the hair shaft, taming frizz and healing damaged hair. Coconut milk dips conditioners promoting strength, shine, and softness, used on wet or dry hair. It detangles and seals the hair cuticle, lock in moisture, restore luster, and diminish frizz. Wow, this is amazing, and I need this because you guys know that I changed my hair color, so I'm transitioning to like a lighter color. So next month when I redo my hair, it's going to be a little lighter than this, but I had to have my hair bleached, so my hair is like, help me, really bad condition, smell fresh. So I'm gonna add a little bit to my hair. What the hell, right? I am in need of all this good stuff. It does feel really soft in the hair. Love it. And I was in need of a new leave-in conditioner. Love this. Love it. The hair feels very soft, moisturized. So big thumbs up. Love it. And this from Playa. Very nice. And this beauty here retails for $24. Alright, so last but not least, here is Dewy of the Gods Tahitian Breakfast Dew Collagen Primer. Ooh, this is interesting. This is right here, and I love this. Really love this. Breakfast of Champions in the Tropics hits different. Think of this as your skin morning collagen smooth, with a plant and fruit extract blend into a dewy milk serum to tone and prime your skin for the next stage of your routine. Build the perfect base for your makeup to glide over, or bask in the glass skin glow that lasts all day long. And this beauty here retails for $32. Love this. This was all for October Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoy it. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Love you. Bye.